Hey y'all, it's Naya and I am back making another hair video.
Stack that bitch up, Mike.
So today I am using, it's another curly fro, but today I'm using this hair and I'm going to do a half up and half down with this hairstyle, and y'all about to see me hook this shit up because yeah, why the fuck not? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this off. I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna bring my hair back, and I'm gonna get back to y'all because I'll be damned, okay? Y'all not gonna see me looking a hot ass mess while I comb my hair out. That's what we're not gonna do. But okay, let's get into this video. I'll be back when I start putting a cap on my head, so. Okay, so, y'all. Okay, but right now what we're gonna do is get this together. So I'm gonna spray this all around my perimeter, okay? And then we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna redo this right here though, because I want to make sure that gets together. But we gonna wait for this to dry, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with this cut. Peace. And I'm Jessica Coolest. Peace, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna cut this now because yeah, because I can't take this. Ooh, it always do that. Okay, let me. And I was waiting to take it off, y'all, because I was thinking, like, if it cut off, y'all, I'm going to cut it back on. Okay. I need to put some hairspray right there because what the fuck is that? And I'm about to put foundation on this wig. I'm about to use this foundation. I just got it, so I don't know how this shit look on my skin. Or this cap, I should say. It's okay. Hold on, y'all, because I don't got that much space on my phone for me to be playing. So I'm gonna come back when I get this out. All right, I'm about to just, ooh. All right, fuck it, whatever. It is what it is at this point. Okay, y'all, but I'm basically gonna just go all the way around with this. And as I tell y'all, I'm not no professional, okay? So, ooh, let me cut that. I don't want that much down like that, that's not cute. Okay. And it's the middle part, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the middle part, but I'm gonna still just pat this right here down the middle. Get a Q-tip and go all around my scalp that has makeup on it, because I don't want that like that, so. And when I come back, whatever, I'm about to just clean this up real quick. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm about to try this wig on. And just make sure that it fits my head properly because, y'all, I hate putting on wigs and just throwing it on. So I'm trying to just make sure this shit fits. Good love, good vibe. This is how the wig looks, okay? They got deep curls in it or whatever. Fit right now. Loose as hell. Okay, let me tighten it up. Oh, wait, I'm about to fix this, but y'all gonna see the end result, so don't trip. Okay, so right now I am just gonna tighten it up to my liking because I don't like how loose this shit was. We wanted to lead, so it's just like, you know, I really need to invest in other shit. Okay, that's cool. I'm about to just put foundation on this, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna put the glue on top of my hairline. And I'm gonna show y'all that part. Alright, y'all, I'm about to now start off on this side and put just glue all around the perimeter. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and do that. I fucking hate when this glue do that shit. It's probably, well, it is gone, but don't play with me. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I'm only gonna do this side first, and I'm gonna get the rest of this and fix it up because this is just what I've been using, so don't talk shit. I mean, yeah, I'm not even gonna try to fix this shit up, whatever. Let me go ahead and do one of these for y'all. And we're gonna let it, and I'm gonna put this side on first. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in the middle too, because yeah, I'm gonna have to lift the other side. So y'all gonna see me wait these 4 minutes. You know, I don't have a blow dryer, y'all, so I'm gonna have to like literally sit and wait for a minute. So yeah, but before I like, you know, skip through, I did want to talk to y'all and ask y'all, like, you know, what videos y'all want me to do. If y'all have any ideas, go ahead and comment down. If y'all want me to do challenges or vlogs or mukbangs or just more hair tutorials, I'll keep doing it. Y'all just need to let me know what y'all want to see, and I will do that for you guys. And yeah, so let me go ahead and turn this off, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so this did dry faster than I expected, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head now. And that's okay, whatever, shoot. I know there's clips right there. Oh, the clips over here, so we ain't even gonna use those. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just like kind of brush that back. And then I'm sticking the hair where like the glue is. So a little more so right there. So that's where I'm gonna stick this glue at, and I'm about to lay this right here down on it. I don't know if y'all seen that because I wasn't looking at the camera. My bad. But I'm about to get this and just lay this down for like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna let it sit. I can't wait for y'all to see the final result because I can't wait to see the final result because who the fuck told me to do the part like that? But whatever, we gonna fix this shit up. It is what it is. I already bought the wig. So we're gonna just let this sit for a few, and yeah, I'm gonna leave the curls how it is, y'all, because I have a bad habit of like getting hair, and I be wanting to look like defined and stuff and have volume, and I be fluffing the hair out. So I ain't gonna do that with this wig because I want the curls to stay and look kind of neat, because the outfit I got with this outfit, outfit I got with this hair is bomb as fuck. My eyebrows look thick. That's the look I'm going for though. But I'm gonna be back, y'all, so I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in like 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm about to do the same to the other side, y'all. So if I'm not looking at the camera, it's just because I'm looking at the mirror, okay? Okay, now I'm about to get this and do the same thing I did on the other side. Okay, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more on this side because I don't like how it didn't get none over here. And I got hella sideburns, y'all, but I don't care. Cause they ain't went nowhere. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Let this shit dry. Then I'm gonna tie it down. I'm gonna come back when all this is dried all together, y'all. But y'all get the y'all get the big picture. Y'all get the big picture. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, this is me taking this off. I am now gonna cut this wig. Okay, so, but y'all see this shit? Okay, so let's go ahead and cut it. And I low-key put it on my head cricket, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera this way, so I'm about to be looking over here in the mirror. So I need to see. You know, I can see what the fuck I'm doing to myself. Bitch, watch out. No, I'm fucking annoying. Do I care though? No, I don't. That part don't irritate me because why the fuck is you so white right here? Hey, daddy, you gonna let me fuck? Y'all see that TikTok where that girl be saying that? Okay. So, I know this is how this shit's looking, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of this. Really not all of this, really just this right here. And have it like that. Let me see. Ooh, wait, no, because I didn't want to do that. I wanted to at least get, let me not mess up this part. I wanted to at least pull those down right here. But I low-key fucked it up because I combed out this hair. It looked too thick. Hold on. Okay, clearly I'm gonna have to hot comb that down because, yeah. But let's go ahead and get this together up here. Oh, how cute. It looks so big and pretty. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the edges. This is cute, y'all. I'm liking this. Okay. Let me kind of loosen this shit up though because I feel it on my ears. I am back and I am going to show y'all how I put my concealer. This is a big ass brush, but I'm about to use it anyways. How I put my concealer on my part to give it like some kind of oomph. And I did have to get off the camera because this wig was acting like trying to lift on me already. Like, nah, for real though. So, you know, I had to get it back together. And yeah. So now I'm about to show y'all how I do this part. And I'm going to also show y'all like my finished look when I do my makeup and stuff. And this is really all this is really all I do is I put it this way, like wherever my part is. And I just go like that. And what I'm about to do with these flyaways, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna just hairspray them motherfuckers down. Cause who do they think they are? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. And I'm about to get some, but it looks real like volumed out. I'm about to go do my makeup and my lashes and stuff, so y'all tune in if I can still. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did add in some edges and I did the half up and half down. And y'all, this is like the shirt I wanted to wear because I wanted more like a 90s look, you know what I'm saying, And I like love it, it's cute. It don't look too fake. It look like it could be my natural hair, so I'm feeling it. Yeah, and y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. Turn your post notifications on, because I'm posting videos every week. If not every week, every other week. So don't forget to subscribe, y'all. And thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm just kidding. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all have a good rest of y'all day. And thank you for watching.